just received this amazing bread knife in the mail and I'm so excited to use it. So this is the 10-inch Pro Series multifunctional bread knife by Pickle House, and I love because it comes in this box. This would be beautiful to give as a gift and really easy to wrap as well. When you open it up, you can see here that it comes with these instructions, and these just kind of tell you how to take care of your knife and some cautions and warnings, safety tips. But this is a knife you definitely want to hand wash. You do not want to use this in the dishwasher, so make sure you do that. And then it has like specifications on the back, which I really love, on how to sharpen and the different features of the knife. So when you actually open the knife up, you can see here that it comes and it's just beautiful. It's nice and long, it's big, it does have a tip cover there on it, and it has this beautiful handle. Now, I love this because it's just simple, but it really gets the job done. It's beautiful to look at. You can see it has like a nice serrated edge at the bottom. It's really shiny, and then it's not too heavy, so that is great as well. I'm gonna wash it off real quick, and then we're gonna cut a few things. I have this big baguette for sandwiches. It's just nice bread, and I have my knife all ready to go. So just to show you how simple this is, I'm just going to cut this in half, and you can see how easy it is to cut. It didn't smash my bread or anything. I don't have to apply a lot of pressure or force. It just cuts through it really nicely, which is fantastic. Definitely a knife that is going to last for a really long time, and I do feel like this is definitely worth the money. There's some other knives out there that you're not sure if the quality is going to be as great, but it was very simple to be able to cut through that bread, and I love that it's just shiny and it's big, so you can get through a big loaf if you need. And overall, I'm really happy with this knife and happy to store it in either my knife block, or you can also say a drawer.